If you are looking for paradise on earth, the ecological property La Garza can fill all your expectations. Located in the town of Platanar in San Carlos, Costa Rica, the Hotel La Garza is a magical place where nature merges with good service and comfort. The journey from San Jose is only 2 hours with 15 minutes, and the highway is totally paved. Right from our entrance, you will be able to begin to live this ecological experience. La Garza Hotel is divided by the Platanar River, and after leaving your vehicle, the adventure begins. The first step is to cross the exciting suspension bridge that takes us to the reception, which is in one of the oldest buildings in the property. The villa-type rooms of La Garza Hotel have been carefully constructed to satisfy the most demanding taste. All of our rooms offer an ample balcony from which it is possible to admire the Platanar River and the Arenal Volcano. In addition, it is a place to share with your fellow travelers and to breathe the fresh air. In the interior, the rooms offer comfort and all the space necessary to make your stay a memorable and pleasurable visit. All the villas have 2 queen-size beds, a side table with telephone, writing desk, ceiling ventilator, air conditioning, bath with hot water, and many other amenities. In addition to the outstanding view, all the villas are surrounded by exuberant vegetation, where it is common to find beautiful flowers, birds, and butterflies. The restaurant is located in the oldest building of the farm. This beautiful construction is over 100 years old. Today, it lodges the exquisite flavor of the typical and international cuisine of La Garza Hotel. The restaurant has ample spaces where it is possible to eat with tranquility and comfort. In addition, it enjoys all the infrastructure necessary to cater to groups for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Around the large house, relaxation areas can be found where you may take a deserved rest. Next to the restaurant, we find La Caballeriza Bar, an intimate and cozy place where you will be able to taste national and international cocktails. Next to the bar, we find the games area, a billiards table, and a ping pong table at the disposition of all our clients. Also, we offer recreational areas for the young ones. This area consists of a playhouse and a playground for the delight of the children. Our swimming pool area is impressive. The hot San Carlos sun is the perfect companion to enjoy all the benefits of our ample swimming pool. We also have a special swimming pool for small children. To one side of the swimming pool, you will find an exclusive jacuzzi, which is guarded by lush vegetation. The water circulates towards the main swimming pool, creating a beautiful cascade. Adjacent to the swimming pool is an ample snack bar which serves tropical drinks and delicious snacks for the maximum enjoyment of the swimming pool area clients. The ecological property La Garza enjoys agrarian zones dedicated to the cultivation of fruits for the fresh consumption of our clients. All the mornings, the personnel of La Garza harvests delicious citruses for the taste of our clients. The property has not always been dedicated to the tourism industry. In the past, this property was used as a cattle ranch for the production of meat and milk. Nowadays, although in a smaller scale, the property continues producing milk of high quality. These processes can be admired by the tourists who visit us. In addition, the property offers an ample tradition in the care and training of Creole horses and pure blood. The ample stables lodge beautiful horses that are currently used for tourist horseback tours. So, if it is in your mind to visit La Garza, do not forget to take a horseback tour. We're waiting for you at La Garza, a real paradise of nature in San Carlos, Costa Rica.